We are off to the caravan today, so George just gone to help my mum put the awning in. That's not a toothbrush! It's not a toothbrush! George's gone to help my mum put the awning in the car, and then he's coming back to get us once we're ready. Obviously, I don't think I'm going to be able to dry my hair, so I'll just let it dry in the car on the way. It's not a toothbrush! Read this book instead of helping Daddy. Yeah. So they sent me a monkey. So funny. Cheers. Nice. Mum's just taken Emmy over to the showers. She's just been sick, unfortunately. She was sick on the way here as well, so I think we've established that it's car sickness, because last time we were in the car for like over 20 minutes she was sick in the car as well, and I thought it was just a stomach bug, but I think it's car sickness. And like from research, I don't think there's anything you can do for like 19-month-olds as far as like travel sickness, so I really don't know what we're going to do about that, because obviously we plan on coming up here quite a lot. It's like a 2-hour drive as well, so nightmare.